Hi guys, it's Jono here from jono-armstrong.com and welcome to my Provely review. This is a product by Mark Thompson and Matt Callen which launches tomorrow, which is the 26th of September 2017, and it's all about boosting conversions by using a neat little application which puts pop-ups on your landing pages or your webinar pages or even your e-commerce pages. Now you might have seen this kind of thing before. This is a website called Dude Gadgets, which is pretty famous on Instagram for selling drop shipping items. And if you can see in the bottom left hand corner down here, let me just refresh the page actually, there's these little pop-ups that come up. There you go. Brenda in Louisville, Kentucky purchased a car iPocket. Now what this does is it provides social proof, and it entices other people to buy because they can see, oh, other people are buying this, so I should buy it too. It's all kind of a psychological thing. You see there's another one coming up there. So it's a bit like that, but obviously this one here is geared towards e-commerce, but Provely actually does the exact same thing, the exact same psychological process with landing pages, webinars, and also your website. Basically, if you were holding a webinar and you're advertising it on Facebook and you're trying to get people to opt in and you're saying there's only like 50 spaces left, when people actually go onto that webinar registration page and they see these pop-ups coming up saying Tony has just signed up for the webinar, Julie's just signed up for the webinar, they're going to be thinking, okay, well there's only 50 spaces left, I better get in there and sign up, and they take action based on that. If we go over to the sales page here, excuse me, there's a load more information about how Provely actually works on here. You should check out the video here on the top of the sales page, and you'll be able to get a lot more information about it there. I'm not going to go through the whole sales page with you because it'd just be a bit ridiculous. So I do have some bonuses that I've put together for you guys should you choose to buy Provely through my link, which is down in the description below. If you click on that link, you'll be taken through to this page. This is my bonus page, and please bear in mind that this bonus page will be taken down when this countdown timer runs out. Okay, so make sure that you get in there as soon as possible if you want to get my bonuses, that is. Now my bonuses are, first of all, I've been quite successful with e-com over the past kind of 7 years, and I've put together my own course teaching you how to get better conversions by doing a few kind of tweaks on your product pages to try and install a bit more trust, and that's what it's all about. So this video here is around 45 minutes long, and once you go through it and you make these changes to your e-commerce product pages, you'll see some amazing results like I did. My conversion rates went up by 58% just by doing a few of these tweaks. Okay, so you'll learn all about that in the first bonus. Now obviously Provely is not all to do with e-commerce. In fact, it's more geared towards digital products, webinars, squeeze pages and stuff like that. So my next few bonuses are not e-com related, but I guess you could kind of use them in e-com as well. Like the second bonus here is all to do with creating video sales letters, like the one that you'll see on the sales page that I just talked about before. So creating a good video sales letter, and also how to write viral emails to get people to opt into your webinars or whatever you're actually advertising, or a product that you're launching. Bonus number 4 is a worksheet checklist, and it'll show you how to create high converting video sales letters. So it's a checklist that you should follow when you're creating these video sales letters. And my final bonus is a profit blueprint mind map. So how to maximize your sales using your video sales letters. So if you want to get these bonuses, and they're all high value bonuses, the 4 bonuses are priced at $197 each. You'll be getting them absolutely free if you click on any of these orange buttons and buy Provely through my link. And my first bonus, I didn't really know what kind of price to put on it because I'm not actually selling it. I just put it together as a bonus to try and help people. So $29.99 is probably worth a lot more than that because there's a lot of valuable information in there. But anyway, I don't like to put too much of a hypey price on my stuff. So if you want to get all of these bonuses absolutely free, make sure you click on these orange buttons before this timer runs out. And after you've bought Provely and you want to get my bonuses, make sure that you email me down here, jono@armstrong.com. Forward me your PayPal receipt from Provely and I'll reply back with a link to all of these bonuses. So with that said, you probably want to know about how Provely works, and because of that, I've got a video from the product creators explaining exactly how to use Provely. It's a cloud-based software, and it allows you just to take a snippet of code and then put it into your website or your landing page or your sales page or wherever you want to put it. It's really, really simple to use. So without further ado, let's just hand you over to the product creators and they'll talk about it.
Okay, so welcome inside of Provely. This is the dashboard that you're looking at, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to add a Provely widget to any page that you want to. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click on Create New, and then you're going to choose the domain that you want to add this the Provely widget to. So I'm going to just put in, just for this example, I'll use launchmadness.com, and I will continue. And then it's going to take you into the campaign builder. So I'm just going to say this is a demo, and then you can choose which language do you want the widget text to be in. So there's lots of different languages that you can choose from. It'll automatically translate the text depending on which demographic you cater to. So for this one, I'm just going to keep English. Then I'm going to click on Next. And then the first thing you need to do is add this embed code to the page where your data is being collected. So whether it's a landing page and you're going to be getting some opt-in information, or if it's a checkout page and you're going to be collecting buyer information, all you need to do is add this code to the end of the body tag. So for this example, I have this landing page here. I'm just going to be giving away something for free. And I actually use WordPress for this page, so I'm using Optimized Press as the theme. So I'm going to go into Page Settings, click on Add New, and then I'm going to do put this in the footer. Okay, so now Provely is smart enough to be able to capture the information, the name and email address from the person who's either opting in or buying whatever your product is. Okay, so now I'm going to go to another option you can do in step 2 here is enable simulation. So enabling simulated data is going to allow you to show simulated purchases or opt-ins or registrations, at least just until you start to get the ball rolling and start to get some leads. Like, I understand when you have a brand new campaign, right, you probably don't have any leads. So that's why we've added this simulated feature inside of Provely. Now, once you've done that, I'm just going to take that off for right now. I'll click Next, and you can choose from one of our design widgets. So we have lots of different designs that you can choose from, and we also have the animation. So you can have the widget have some sort of a subtle animation for each time that it displays on your page. So maybe I just want to do a fade, okay, and it kind of shows you what it's going to look like. And then you can go and you can change the color scheme of the widget just to help with your branding, depending on what your colors are on the page. But just for this example, I'm just going to choose some random colors, click on Next, and now you can put in your notification text, which will show up right here. So I could say just signed up for the freebie. Oops. Okay, or you could put whatever you want, registered for the webinar, just purchased a product, whatever it may be. Then you also have the option to show or to have a sound notification. So when the widget displays on your page, you could actually have some sound. We give you a bunch of different options here to choose from. For this example, I'm just not going to do any sound, but I'm going to go to Next. And then you want to say how often should the widget display on your page. So you can do every second or minutes. It's completely up to you. And then I'm going to click on Next. And then the final step is just to tell Provely, where do you want your widget to display? Okay, what pages do you want? Do you want it throughout your entire site? Do you want it just on a specific landing page? And so for this example, I'm going to go back into my page settings, and I'm going to add this code to the footer as well. And I'm going to click on Update. And so now I'm going to save that. And so now when I refresh the page, I'm going to just put in, I got to add in my email autoresponder code, right? So you can capture their name and email address. And so I'm just going to put in just a name and, all right. And now once I subscribe here, it's going to automatically grab that data. Okay. So let me go back to here, and now it's going to just display that widget onto the page. So now it should start to display. So there you go. You can start to see them coming in as more and more people start to subscribe to this offer. It'll take the newest, it'll display the newest opt-ins or purchases or registrations, and it'll display it right there in the bottom left-hand corner. So super easy to get it, having social proof, getting social proof added to any landing page that you want to. You can also go into Provely and then click on the little contacts icon, and it's going to show you each of the people that opted in or purchased. So you can see a running log of all the people or people that are going to be displayed on your widget. And then you can also export this if you'd like to for importing it into an email autoresponder or wherever you want to. But you just have a nice list showing who they are, where they're from, and then also the day and time that they opted in. So super easy, guys, to create as many widgets as you want to, organize really nicely for each of your domains that you have, and lots of really nice features to handle the displaying and animation and sound and all that kind of cool stuff. So that is how you use Provely.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that little presentation there about how to use Provely. And just remember, if you want to buy Provely, if you're interested in getting Provely and you want to snap up the bonuses that I put together for you, absolutely free, click on the link below in the description and you'll be taken through to this page where you can check out my bonuses and then click on these orange buttons to actually purchase Provely. So thanks very much for watching my Provely review. I will see you in the next one. Thanks, bye.